So this is a T-nut, and its job is to slide into T-slots in the mill or the lathe, and allow me to hold vices and fixtures in place. And over the years, I've made countless numbers of them, and somehow, they always seem to go missing, or I just need sizes which I don't have. Hence why I currently need 2 new ones. Thankfully though, they are pretty easy to make. I'll start by getting a piece of off-cut steel in the vise, and I'll get it cleaned up. Any small piece of steel should do, they aren't that big. I'll then mill a step into each side. I'll then come in with the end mill and cut a channel down the middle. We can now spot and drill 2 holes for the threads to screw in. With the holes now drilled, I'll now tap them for M6, but with the T-nuts, the threads don't go all the way through. It just prevents the threaded rod from going all the way through the nuts and damaging the T-slots. I'll then get a slitting saw mounted in the mill, and I'll use it to separate the 2 T-nuts. And with that now done, we now have our 2 T-nuts. And that's them with a bit of threaded rod screwed into them. We can finally slide them into the T-slots and now use them for mounting fixtures in place.